What if I told you that the next crypto millionaires won't come from Bitcoin or Ethereum, but from meme coins under $1 that are about to explode in 2025? From Dogecoin and Shiba to new legends like Pepe, Brett, and Turbo, small coins with massive communities are quietly preparing for their biggest breakout yet. The question is, which ones will 10x, 50x, or even 100x before the next bull run peak? In this video, we're breaking down the top 20 winning meme coins under $1 that could turn small investments into life-changing profits. Stay tuned, because missing the right meme coin now could mean missing the next wave of digital wealth. Let's be real. When people talk about meme coins, two names still dominate the room: Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. These aren't just internet jokes anymore. They've become cultural icons with real financial gravity. Think about it. Doge started as a meme, yet it's accepted on major exchanges and even used for payments. SHIB built an entire ecosystem from a community that believed in the power of fun mixed with finance. I've met investors who started with a few bucks and learned more about markets through these coins than any textbook could teach. So, why do they still matter? Because they remind us that emotion, community, and culture can move markets, not just numbers on a chart. Now we're seeing a new generation of meme tokens rise. Names like Pepe, Brett, and Toshi. These aren't random coins. They represent a new culture of community-first investing. Built on Base and Ethereum, they've turned memes into movements where people feel part of something bigger than profit. I've seen entire groups come together, sharing memes, building apps, and supporting each other like a family. It's not just trading, it's belonging. This is the evolution of crypto culture, where creativity meets code, and where a single viral moment can turn into a decentralized empire. It's wild, but it's real, and it's changing how the next generation connects with money. Then there's Floki and Bonk, the perfect example of what happens when DeFi meets internet culture. These tokens don't just rely on memes for hype. They build real ecosystems with staking, yield rewards, and community-driven utilities. Imagine earning passive income while being part of one of the loudest, most creative online tribes. That's what Floki and Bonk have nailed, turning social momentum into sustainable engagement. I've seen people who started by sharing memes later become long-term investors because they felt connected. It's a mix of fun and finance, emotion and automation. And it proves that when you blend purpose with passion, even a meme can become a serious wealth engine. Now let's talk about Pudgy Penguins and Popcat. Two projects that show how NFT culture and crypto storytelling can merge into something truly powerful. These aren't just cute digital pictures. They're symbols of identity, belonging, and status in the new digital economy. Imagine owning a character that represents your online personality and being able to trade it like an asset. That's what these collections have achieved. They've turned art into narrative, and narrative into value. I've seen creators, gamers, even parents buying them for their kids, not just for profit, but to be part of a movement where creativity and ownership finally collide. It's culture, emotion, and commerce, all in one. And then we have MOG, Dog with Hat, and SPX 6900, proof that in the world of crypto, personality often beats pure utility. These tokens thrive not because of complex tech, but because they make people feel something. They're fun, bold, and instantly recognizable, the kind of brands that go viral before anyone even asks what they do. During hype cycles, emotion always moves faster than logic. I've seen traders skip white papers just to join the wave of memes and momentum. And here's the truth. In a market driven by attention, a strong personality can be more valuable than any protocol. It's storytelling, identity, and entertainment, all wrapped in a digital coin. Now things get even more interesting with GameStop GME, ETH, and Turbo, the first AI-created meme coin. These projects mark a bold crossover between artificial intelligence, internet culture, and decentralized finance. Imagine this, a coin born from an AI prompt that grows into a real market phenomenon. Turbo's story proves that creativity and algorithms can now build wealth together. Meanwhile, GME brings back the rebellious spirit of retail investors who challenged Wall Street, now on-chain. I've watched people rally around these tokens not just for profits but for purpose. A shared belief that the future of money is driven by code, community, and a touch of chaos. It's finance with personality. And it's only beginning. Finally, we have Peanut, Just a Chill Guy, and GigaChad, the meme coins that perfectly capture Gen Z humor and viral energy. These tokens aren't pretending to be complex financial tools. They're simple, relatable, and ridiculously shareable. That's exactly why they work. Gen Z investors don't just want returns. They want a vibe, something fun to talk about and easy to join. With low entry prices and massive viral reach, these projects turn social buzz into real liquidity. I've seen college students, gamers, and creators jump in just for laughs, and end up learning about DeFi along the way. It's the new form of financial entertainment. Fast, emotional, and surprisingly educational. Trump Coin and Fart Coin prove that markets today move at the speed of emotion, not logic. These tokens tap into the raw power of political drama and viral comedy, turning social media reactions into real trading volume. Think about it. A meme, a headline, or a controversial post can now move prices faster than any news outlet. That's because traders aren't just analyzing charts anymore. They're reacting to feelings. It's entertainment mixed with economics, where humor and outrage fuel liquidity. Whether you love it or hate it, this is the new reality. A financial ecosystem that mirrors Twitter feeds and TikTok trends, where attention itself has become the most valuable currency. Here's something most people overlook. The smartest money always moves before the headlines. In the early stages of a bull market, big investors quietly accumulate undervalued community tokens while everyone else is still skeptical. They understand that hype follows patience. I've seen this pattern repeat every cycle. Institutions buy when social media is silent, and retail jumps in only after prices explode. It's what we call smart capital rotation, shifting early into assets fueled by culture and community before they trend. So if you're watching closely, don't just chase what's hot. Learn to spot what's warming up. That's where wealth quietly builds, long before the crowd even notices. Now, here's where things get exciting. Automation is leveling the playing field. With AI bots, copy trading tools, and smart trend trackers, even midlife investors can ride meme coin momentum without staring at charts all day. I've met people in their 40s and 50s who once felt too late for crypto. But automation changed everything. These systems analyze market sentiment, detect viral trends, and execute trades automatically, turning chaos into consistent opportunity. It's like having a digital assistant that works 24/7, while you focus on your family, health, or business. The future of investing isn't about working harder. It's about letting technology multiply your time and money. So here's the bottom line. The next crypto explosion might not come from the big names, but from these underdog meme coins quietly gaining traction under $1. Every bull run has its breakout stars, and 2025 could be their moment. Maybe it's Pepe, maybe it's Floki, or maybe it's a project we haven't even heard of yet. The question is, will you be watching from the sidelines or positioning yourself early? If this video opened your eyes to new opportunities, hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more updates before the next wave hits. Remember, in crypto, timing isn't everything. It's the only thing.